Hello students. Last time I discussed the chapter topic trigonometric ratios. Today I am going to start the next chapter, the next topic, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Topic trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Okay. Here we discuss only three specific angles: 45 degree, 30 degree, and 60 degree. That means the values of sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree, tan 45 degree, cot 45 degree, sec 45 degree, and cosec 45 degree. Similarly, sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree, cot 60 degree, cosec 60 degree, sec 60 degree, and sin 60 30 degree, cos 30 degree, tan 30 degree, cot 30 degree, sec 30 degree, and cosec 30 degree. Only three angles here we discuss. First discuss trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. What is, we draw a isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle. So this is the right triangle. Right triangle. Suppose this is B, this is A, and this is C. The isosceles means these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, then these angles are equal. This is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. Because it is 90 degree. These are two acute angles. Okay. Alright. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. If one angle is 45 degree, then the other angle is also 45 degree. That is what? Angle A equal to angle C equal to 45 degree. So AB equal to what? BC. Because in triangle, opposite angles of opposite sides of two equal angles are equal in geometry. Opposite sides of two equal angles. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. So for this 45, this is the opposite side BC, and for this angle, this is the opposite side AB, and these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal because these angles are equal. Okay. BC. Now, suppose AB equal to BC equal to small a, suppose we take A. Okay? Then by Pythagoras theorem, then by Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is what? A. BC square is A square, that is twice A square. Okay? Implies AC equal to square root of 2A. Now using the definition of trigonometric ratios, we have sine 45 degree, that is equal to opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. I mean, we take this 45 degree, opposite side, what is sine ratio? Opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The opposite side is BC and divided by AC, that is equal to A by root 2A, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree, that is, what is cos ratio for this 45 degree angle? Adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, AB divided by AC. So what is AB? Is root 2A, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degree, what is tan 45 degree? For this angle, tan 45 degree is perpendicular opposite side divided by the adjacent side, that is BC by AC, AB, BC by AB, that is A by A, that is equal to 1. Cot 45 degree, what is cot 45? For cot 45 degree, adjacent side by opposite side, AB by BC, that is equal to A by A, that is equal to 1. Cosec 45 degree, what is cosec 45 degree? Hypotenuse divided by the opposite side, AC by BC, that is AC is root 2A by A, that is equal to root 2. Sec 45 degree, hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side, AC by AB, that is AC is root 2A divided by A, that is equal to root. So these are the ratios of 45 degree angles, 6 ratios of 45 degree angles. Now come to the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Trigonometric ratios of ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Here we draw an equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle all angles are equal. That means each angle is 60 degree. Equilateral triangle. So this is A, B, C. It is an equilateral triangle. And draw AD perpendicular BC. So this angle is 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. Also 60 degree. All angles are 60 degree. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Since each angle of equilateral triangle of an equilateral triangle is an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. That is angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. We draw the perpendicular. We draw AD perpendicular BC. Now, in triangle ABD and ACD, in triangle ACD, AB equal to AC. Since triangle ABC is equilateral. First it will come. First you take angle ADB equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree. AB equal to AC. Since triangle ABC is equilateral, AD equal to AD, common side, therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ABC by RHS, right hypotenuse side. Therefore BD equal to DC and angle DAB equal to angle DAC by CPCT. Now, so if it is BAD, if DAB equal to DAC, then this angle is 60 degree, so it is 30 degree. Each angle is 30 degree because AD divide bisect angle A. Now triangle ABD is a right angle triangle right angled at D, which angle BAD equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now let BD equal to DC equal to BD equal to what? Half of DC. Because BD equal to DC, that is suppose A. Now by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, AB squared equal to AD squared or BD squared plus AD squared. So AB is what? AB equal to A squared, BD equal to what? AB equal to twice A whole square, BD equal to A squared plus AD squared. Since BC equal to AB equal to twice A, from this BC equal to twice A, implies 4A squared equal to A squared plus AD whole square. Implies 5A squared equal to AD whole square. Therefore AD equal to root 3A. Now this one is root 3a and this one is a. AB is a. Now sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree. For sine 30 degree, for this angle sine 30 degree, sine 30 degree opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BD by AB. So BD is what? BD is A and AB is twice A, that is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree, so cos 30 degree whole what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse AD by AB, that is equal to AD is root 3A this and twice A, that is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree BD by AD, BD is A root 3A, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Cos 30 degree AD by BD root 3A by A, that is equal to root 3. Cosec 30 degree AB by AD, that is equal to twice A by root 3A, 2 by root 3. Sec 30 degree AB by BD, that is equal to twice A by A, that is equal to 2. This is for 30 degree angle. And next 60 degree angle. Similarly, sine of 60 for this angle is in this angle, for this angle, ABD triangle, this angle, sine of 60, the opposite side by hypotenuse, AD by AB. So AD is root 3A by A twice A, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 to 60 degree BD by AB, that is A by twice A, that is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree AD by BD, AD is root 3 by A, that is root 3. Cos 60 degree BD by AD. So what is BD? BD is A, AD is root 3A, that is 1 by root 3. Cosec 60 degree AB by AD. So AB is twice A root 3A, that is 2 by root 3, and sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree AB by BD twice A by A, that is equal to 2. This is the result for angle 60 degree. There are two angles 0 degree and 90 degree. The proof of 0 degree and 90 degree are not necessary. The values are important, but proofs are not necessary. now take a table. Construct a table. Treat angle A, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. First, sine of A. So sine A, if A is 0 degree, then value is 0. So sine 30, that is equal to half. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1. Then cos of A. Cos A means 0 degree. 0 degree is 1. It is root 3 by cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 2. It is half. It is 0. Tan A. Tan 30 degree means. Tan A means 0 degree. 0 degree is 0. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 60 degree is root 3. It is not defined. Not defined. And cot A not defined, 0 degree not defined, not defined, is root 3, 1 by root 3 and this is equal to 0, cot 90 is 0. And cosec A, cosec 0 degree is not defined, it is 2, it is root 2, there it is 2 by root 3, it is 1. Sec A, it is 1, it is 2 by root 3, it is root 2, it is 2, is not defined. This is the table. You have to remember this table. Remember this table and also remember the values of the all trigonometry 6 trigonometric ratios of different angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Now come to the exercise. So exercise 8.2. The first problem is number 1, evaluate the values. Evaluate the following. Number 1, sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. So what is sine 60 degree? That is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. From the table is half into half. That is 3 by 4, 1 by 4, this is 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next, number 2. Number 2, 2 tan square 45 degree equal to plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. It is tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. 1 square cos 30 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. And sin 60 degree, sin is 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree again, root 3 by 2 whole square. So this one cancel. 2 into 1 plus 0, that is 2. This is the answer. Okay. In this way, to solve the problems. Okay, students. Today I stop here, and next class I will discuss the remaining problems. Thank you.